our mission and vision at Children in Wales. Building a Wales where all children and young people have their rights fulfilled.
Probably the highlight of my residential was probably the games, like when we got to play board games and everything. I did enjoy it because I got to play games I wouldn't usually be able to afford.
I really enjoy the Young Wales residentials. I feel that it's a really valuable opportunity to get to tell my opinions to government ministers and get my views across and exercise Article 12.
Article 12!
I first connected with the parent network about a year to 18 months ago.
I was unemployed for 5 years due to my mental health, and through going to this group I was being the person that I always wanted to be, I guess.
I could be myself, which is something I lost when I had my children. I didn't know who I was anymore apart from mum.
I feel like I turned from just a mum to I sort of found myself again.
And it sort of came up about how it was a dream of mine to write a book. It was something that I always wanted to achieve. And of course, children's rights is what I talk about 24/7. Anyone who knows me knows that I do not shut up about it.
And finally, just to congratulate once again Children in Wales on their 30th anniversary. I've enjoyed being part of the celebrations throughout the year. I think the book is absolutely great, and I know that Children in Wales has been instrumental in ensuring that children's rights remain at the forefront of our work in Wales.